Have you ever dreamed of living in a quiet bush setting without leaving the convenience of the city behind? Today's home tour is precisely that. 3 glass pavilions immersed in nature and with an interior that made my heart skip a beat. It's time to let us in. Into the beautiful mudroom. This is a shoes off house, so I'm going to do as I'm told. How about you guys head right? I'll catch you on up. We have a very intimate TV nook. It's a great feeling in here. It's a really cozy size. Beautiful texture with the exposed timber on the ceiling, aspect out to the bush and also to the water. And I like the way they've actually celebrated this for the TV, because there's no TV upstairs in the living room. Oh no, it does not need that, and you will see why soon enough. But first, before we go up there, there's more to check out downstairs. We come through into the home office. This room has an incredible view, which a lot of the rooms do in this home. And you'll also start to notice the colour and the way it subtly changes as we move throughout the home. Guys, the main bathroom is so scrumptious. It is delicious. The red earthy tile on the floor, this green tile, this incredible ceramic green basin. The way the wall tiles variate into this new glossy green, into the wet room, which of course I'm getting in this tub, guys. This is incredible. Oh my God, that backrest. Oh my God, the view. The only thing that would make this better right now is if you guys were not here and this was legitimately filled with bubbles right now. So off you go. Love that beautiful pivot door. So this is our main bedroom. We have our walk-through robe, a lot of storage, and that view out to the Derwent River is just sensational. You're wrapped with trees, and again with this green colour on the wall, so it reflects what's happening outside in nature. I love the way the colours are really complementary with this bush setting. Oh my goodness, the sun has just popped. There is so much I love about this room. I honestly, where do I even start? First of all, these windows, the way that it goes lower than that floor, higher than the ceiling, it really does create this seamless connection to that view outside. The textures in here, again with that exposed ceiling detail, those hidden track lights, this textural element, the way that's mimicked behind the fireplace and again across here. These are actually structural walls, but they've created such an intimate setting with the interiors. It's celebrated by the fire. No need for a TV up here. Do not need it. Why do you need to watch TV, guys? This is incredible. This rug as well. This was actually designed by the homeowner, who is an artist. And I love that attention to detail, the way she's created something so unique is like the rest of this home. But I can't stay on that couch forever. How about I'm gonna meet you in the dining room. I love the way they've partitioned this open pavilion, so they've created these intimate settings. This generous curved timber table is really celebrated by this wonderful pendant. It's very simple in this room. It's a refined simplicity with touches here on this open shelving. I just love the homeowner's taste and style. Like, it's just attention to detail everywhere you turn. And I absolutely love this kitchen. There's so much to talk you through. First of all, with this kitchen island, I actually want to show you over this side first. So Rachel, the homeowner, really wanted this side to look more like a buffet and a sideboard. So it has these more decorative pull handles and it has that open shelving detail. This curved detail matches to what we saw in the dining table. And on this side, it starts to act more like your kitchen island bench. So plenty of storage, lots of drawers. And I am obsessed with this green tiled splashback. And not only that, but I love the way it continues to wrap. And it follows the wall around here into our drink station. This is a great coffee spot. So we've got all our drinks through here. Ooh, I love her mugs too. We've also got pantry. Ooh, what sweet treat. Got a little cookie. Don't mind if I do. God, it's delicious. It wraps around here. We see this green tile detail. So this is our laundry. So I like the way it's tucked neatly behind the kitchen. You've also got a nice hidden toilet through there. So this is the only toilet on this particular pavilion. And really great that it has that outdoor access and beautiful landscaping. So all of the landscaping was done by Jeremy Wallbank. Beautiful Australian native garden. This is a sweet spot too. I love all the storage in this home. It really has been thought about, included in here. I mean, you can put your shoes on here, sure, but to be honest with you, this is actually a really nice spot just to sit and enjoy your coffee. So we've done 2 of the 3 pavilions, guys. We have one more. Welcome to the private artist studio. I love this in here. This is so incredible. Rachel has just worked with so many different mediums. We've got sculpture, we've got photography, we've got textile and painting. This is the only white room in the home, so it's this painted OSB. So a different feeling in here altogether. And probably the cleanest, bougiest artist washroom I think I've ever seen. Even Rachel was like, yeah, this is like super clean, even for her, but she wants to keep it very clean. This particular spot enjoys that view, whereas the rest of the room very much is about flat white walls, perfect for being able to create and have space dedicated for that. But we step through here, another subtle change in the color. It's more of a bluey green. Oh, and guys, into this beautiful ensuite. I just can't even begin. The texture in here, the colors, the light coming from that skylight, these tiles, the way that they float right up to the sky. You've still got that exposed timber detailing. And again, with the variation here from this sort of wet area into the dry. We have more storage through here. So this is our walk-through robe into our guest bedroom. So this is very much the guest wing. If they have people to stay, they get to hang out here. I mean, I think I need to start becoming closer friends with Rachel because I would love to be a guest in this room. positively parched. Time for a drink. Keeping me hydrated today is this week's drinks partner, SodaSmith. I chose the Tasmanian Finger Lime Soda, which is delicious and would be perfect with a splash of gin.
Born out of a love for Australia's abundant natural resources and extraordinary native ingredients, SodaSmith offers a range of premium soft drinks and mixes. Crafted with pure Tasmanian mountain spring water and all natural ingredients, SodaSmith drinks are a versatile choice for all occasions with flavours that capture the essence of Australia. Choose to enjoy them with your favourite spirit, over ice, or simply straight from the can. You can check out all the flavours online in the link below.
Thank you very much to SodaSmith for helping us make this episode of Let Us In possible. So this home is known as the Taroona House, and the team at Archier were behind its design. It began conceptually with the idea to assemble 3 rectangular structures akin to tree branches that had fallen down the hill and piled on top of one another. The main house consists of 2 of those tree branches stacked at a right angle, with the third being that studio, which is separated by the glorious outdoor deck. Segmenting the house allows it to expand and contract depending on the number of occupants, and this helps to reduce the conditioned floor area, therefore reducing its energy usage. Cantilevering these structures also creates openings between the house and the hillside, which creates pathways for local wildlife and also a concealed entry for the main house. The site itself posed significant limitations given the very steep and forested hill, and while it has an incredible view of the Derwent River, it doesn't actually receive a lot of sunlight. These limitations, however, led to the extensive use of glass, as the lack of sun meant that there was no threat of excessive thermal gain, which allowed them to build a house with a complete glass envelope. This allows the homeowners to be fully immersed in nature through the continuous views of the surrounding bushland. In order to achieve this, Archier needed a structural window system to carry the weight of the roof, which actually wasn't available on the local market. So they decided to develop a solution themselves and ended up designing, building and painting every mullion, header and seal in this house. All of this work led them to form their own prefabrication company, Canda, which uses digital CAD plugins to connect architects to advanced timber fabrication and building components. It's an impressive resolution not only for this home, but one that has been designed to advance other architectural designs. The interior spaces were designed by Sarah Trotter, but heavily influenced from the homeowner herself, Rachel Honorary. Consisting of mainly a dark timber palette, it serves to really amplify the surrounding bushland and river views. The upper level where I'm sitting now holds the living, dining, kitchen and laundry, and the partition zones create these intimate spaces within this open glass structure. There's a refined simplicity to the interiors. It really celebrates high quality materials and finishes, ultimately creating a very textural and very sensual experience as you move throughout each space. The texture isn't limited to just the interiors, but also in that wonderful landscaping, especially that rooftop garden with all of those natives. It's an extension of the home, and it just amplifies that already dense and lush bushland that surrounds this home. The lower level consists of the main bedroom and bathroom and sitting room. We see the introduction of that muted green in the bedrooms and how that really reflects the environment outside. It also complements the dark timber that really is the hero and structure of this home. The best view for me, I have to say, is from that bathtub. The way the window is framed by the full tiled surfaces and exposed dark timber ceiling, it centers you completely. It holds your attention and it makes you feel totally and utterly present in that moment. This studio is not a forgotten add-on, but instead contains a very well considered art space with its own wash area, and there is a separate guest bedroom and bathroom with its own private entry as well. It's clear that this home has been led not only by a talented team of architects and designers, but from the artistic sensibility and creative boldness of its owners. I love the holistic response to the brief and the way Archier chose to embrace the site's limitations rather than ignore them, resulting in a solution that is not only innovative, but completely at ease within its setting. We are only minutes from town, yet the surrounding landscape of this home is rugged and wild. Yet inside, it's utter comfort and calm. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Let me know what you thought in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way.